Good morning. I am very fresh faced this morning, fresh out of bed, and today I just felt like getting up, vlogging and going shopping. So I'm going to combine the two today, and I'm going to head into B&M in this video, but I might do a series of videos. So I'm going to do Poundland, which will probably already be live. And then I also might go into the range. So again, if that video is live, I'll leave both of those linked below. But today's video for you guys is gonna be B&M bargains, which is one of my favorites, and it's been a while. Whilst I chat to you guys this morning, I thought I would do a little skincare routine with you. So I've just freshly cleansed my face using my Foreo Luna 3 and cleanser. And then I've got a fresh packet of new Foreo UFO masks in the Make My Day to go with my UFO 2, and I actually ordered these because I was all out of the Make My Day ones. I do have others available, but Make My Day is one of my favorites. It's really one of the only ones that I like to use in the mornings because it sets your skin for the rest of the day. It's hydrating and anti-pollutant with hyaluronic acid and red algae in it. So the way that it works, I've shown these before, but I'll show you again whilst I'm chatting to you guys this morning. So essentially you get the mask treatment like so. You open it up, attach it to the device, open up the Foreo app, and I'm gonna hit start on the UFO 2. Can you see it light up? Let me just pop off the plastic cap, attach the mask. I'll show you in fact what I do with the excess product. So I don't bin this pack straight away. Keep that to one side, and I'll show you what I do with that at the end. Reattach the little plastic cap like so. You've got all the product there on the mask. Now you don't actually have to use these masks to use with the UFO. You can actually use your own skincare. You don't have to use the Foreo branded ones. So you just put the skincare direct onto that and your skin. Follow the treatment of your choice. You can customize to suit exactly what you want from your skin goals, skin results and skin type. I'm gonna go ahead and click start.
As you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly. Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED
when it warms up, it's so good.
Prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
I'm actually just going to turn this down because it just talks you through the treatment, its benefits and everything like that. Oh my god, it's so warm right now, it's lovely. But then it goes cold as well, which is probably my favourite part. Can you hear it pulsate? So that's just helping work the product into your skin. But yeah, like I said, you don't have to use the Foreo ones. You can just use your favourite serums, moisturisers, whatever it is that you want to use, and just use it with the device. I will actually leave a link to this below just in case anyone is interested in purchasing it yourself. Now it's onto the green LED and T-sonic pulsations as the warmth gradually decreases. This is the anti-pollution formula, which together with the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow, which I am all about that all-day glow. I love dewy, hydrated looking skin. And then once you're done with the mask, you just pop it off, dispose of this, just rinse this down. So I'm just going to leave that there for a second and show you what I do with the excess product within the little sachet, which there's loads, can I just say. You could definitely, I mean, look how much there is, so much to come out of it. So I like to just take it all in my hand, rub it between my palms, which helps moisturizes my hands, and I also run any excess over dry patches like elbows and knees. And you can even bring any excess, sort of pat it down your neck as well. I don't like to drag or rub, I just like to pat into my neck because I just feel like I need to take better care of my neck rather than dragging products. Just gently pat in because I feel like hands and neck are places that show aging quicker. So yeah, pat that into my neck, give that a little excess hydration. So if you wanted to check out any of their products, I will leave the link below, direct link in the description box for you to shop through. Let me know which devices and products you guys have tried out yourself. Maybe there's some things in there that I haven't tried that you guys love that would recommend for me to use. And now I'm going to finish off getting ready, do my hair and makeup, get dressed for the day, and have a fun-filled day of shopping. I'm so excited to be able to bring you guys with me as well. I feel like I'm going shopping with my friends, not by myself, because I'm sharing all the good finds with you guys too. Anyway, let's get ready for the day and let's go shopping. So into B&M we go, and this branch is in a place called Colne in Lancashire, which always starts with treats and food, so don't go hungry or else you'll buy everything. This praline cane syrup looked delightful with all the pine cones and everything, and all of these spreads were very hard to resist. M&M's peanut butter, Marmite peanut butter, didn't even realise they did that. This Malteser spread I was very tempted by. And I love these little cookies in a bottle. All you need really is just like 1 or 2 ingredients to add to it, and then you're good to go. Good little stocking filler. Yeah, I said it, stocking filler. Also this cereal, oh my god, who is Zimmy? But those cinnamon cereal, oh my god, sounds amazing. I feel like B&M are really good with their cereals. They have all the American ones, the marshmallow mateys, the Fruit Loops, all that kind of stuff, and Pop-Tarts in so many different yummy, delicious flavors. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Oh. And these Reese's white chocolate ones are my faves. Into one of the favourite sections of mine in B&M, the cleaning aisle. I love browsing all the new in products. I spotted this new in mini Fabulosa, which was adorable. They had a few different scents as well, and I also spotted this spray and wear Fabulosa spray. So obviously kind of like a Febreze, what you would spray on clothes and fabrics. Didn't realise they did them either. And then I also spotted loads of Minkies, elbow grease scrub kind of pads. This new one for the bathroom is new to me. I've never seen that before. I have used the kitchen one before and really like it. I also spotted these new in from the Pink Stuff. They are oxy powders for your laundry. They have regular and for whites as well. And then on to the Zaflora section. My favourite is mandarin and lime, but I'm still keeping my eyes peeled for the new rhubarb and bergamot, which sounds amazing. Little heads up, there is a Mrs. Hinch little book of lists here, but I have spotted it cheaper in Home Bargains. So if you do want to get your hands on this book, which I love mine, I did actually buy mine off Amazon, but yeah, the cheapest I found it is Home Bargains. I've also spotted Mrs. Hinch using these air fresheners, and they have them for different rooms and in different scents from Febreze. So let me know if you've tried any of those. And then if you remember from my last B&M haul, this bath mat we've been using, and I am obsessed. They also do it in a really nice sage green colour. And then I loved the look of these kind of bamboo handled massagers, sponge loofahs, if you want that kind of white and beige neutral colour. Makeup remover cloths, never seen them before. Apparently you just use water. Bit skeptical, but you never know. Hydro Mist Instant Cooling Spray is a lifesaver in this heat, and for only £1, it's a bargain to just throw in your bag and have on you at all times. Then moving over to the homeware section, the tropical and the blush pink section had a couple of things that I'd never seen before. If you are a fan of blush pink and grey, then B&M is for you, as I'm sure you're probably already aware, because they have so many homeware bits in those colours, and really nice golds they're introducing as well. I always have a look at the Yankee Candle Votives, and Iced Almond Cookies was the scent that stood out for me today. And then I also just had a look at their own branded candles, reed diffusers, wax melts, all that jazz. Lots of Jo Malone and White Company dupes in there. Including these cute little heart-shaped candles. I want to say tea lights, but they do actually have heart-shaped tea light holders as well, which you'll see in a moment. But yeah, they reminded me of the White Company with it being the heart-shaped. And then this scent, Silver Cedar, if you like that kind of pine fir scent, you'll love that. Here are the tea light holders in the heart shapes, which I mentioned, just plain glass, good to scatter as like table decoration, especially at Christmas time, just to make it feel all warm and cozy. Loads of storage baskets in all different shades of neutrals, i.e. whites, greys, blacks, and they also have blush pinks as well. Again, moving over to the blankets, pillows, cushions, bedding, they had so many greys, so many options in blush pink as well. This one stood out to me, the Winchester cushion. It's kind of like a linen beige type fabric, and they also had matching curtains. I did try and find the price of these, but they didn't have any prices on show, so I'm really sorry, I don't know how much those were. Moving over to the kitchenware now, they have loads of amazing branded items in the kitchen section, like Russell Hobbs. They also have these collapsible colanders, which I've been loving. I feel like most homeware stores have these now. And this as well, 2-in-1 scoop and colander, I thought was really handy for like vegetables, chips, whatever it may be. Bailey's red velvet cupcake, how amazing does that sound? And strawberry and cream. I had pumpkin spice one last year and it was amazing. Even though I'm not a big drinker myself, I do love a Bailey's, especially at Christmas time. They had loads of amazing homeware bits from this brand of theirs, Tromso. I love this white table. I think it's so nice. I love the minimal design. And this folding butler's tray table, bit of a White Company dupe there. You may have spotted that in my last White Company dupes video. And then from the main range, I think they call it, they have loads of white wooden like ladder shelves, cabinets for your bathroom, really amazing finds at really affordable prices. Again, kind of White Company style, these little wooden wicker hearts are so adorable, and they come in white and this natural neutral kind of greyish colour. They were in the sale though, so I would recommend being quick if you like the look of them. I love their own branded wax melt burners, great little gift ideas because you get the burner and the wax melts. The fresh linen one is my fave. More storage, as always, a big fan of the storage. And I was checking out the stationery section, and this one sole set in white just was screaming for me to pick it up. They have loads of Friends kind of memorabilia, well, it's not really memorabilia, stationery sets, as well as the Harry Potter, but I've never seen those before. Then last but not least, en route to checkout, I passed these linen look curtains, which I loved. And just like that, we are back home. This doesn't really justify doing a whole film setup, getting my lighting out for this part of the video, because I actually didn't pick up that much. I'm kind of watching what I'm spending at the minute, and I just kind of went in, got the essentials that I needed to get, such as toilet roll. Not very interesting. These were $1.99 on off the Andrex ones. I love Andrex toilet rolls. So I picked up 2 of these. Where is the other one? Ta-da! And then I did pick up some of their face covers that they've got. These ones, again, were on offer. They were reduced down to £2.50 and you get 10 in a pack. And I thought I would pick up these because they're actually the like disposable ones. Because I do have a couple of cloth ones, but I don't know about you, I struggle breathing in them. I really get all claustrophobic. So I actually prefer to wear the disposable ones. I know that's not very eco-friendly, but if I'm out and about for a while, I am just gonna use one of these. And the fact that they're black as well, I quite like that kind of ninja vibes. So yeah, they had loads of different ones, colours, they had different sizes for like kids as well, so loads of options in B&M. Same with the hand sanitizers as well, they had loads. Speaking of like sanitization, I did pick up this mini Fabuloso. I've never seen these before, they're so cute, and this one is in the scent Lemon Mint Leaf. So yeah, it's one of these little mini ones that you can just throw in your bag, and as and when you're out and about and you've obviously got your hand sanitizer, your face mask or whatever, but you feel like you just need to disinfect the area, you've got a little handy, I was gonna say travel size, well yeah, I suppose travel sized disinfectant, and I really like the sound of that scent, lemon mint leaf. They did have other scents available. And then last but not least, I picked up these, which again were on offer. God, I'm such a bargain shopper. Let me just refer back to the receipt though, because I can't remember for how much they were. What? What the hell? Okay, I'm sure these were reduced. They're little coffee pods. I'm sure they were reduced to £1. They've rung through the till as 10p. The Fabulosa was £1. She's charged me for the toilet rolls, which were $1.99 each. Flexi Loop case. I think that's probably just the shopping bag, 10p. Fabulosa, £1. Black face coverings, £2.50. And these have rung through at just 10p. What a bargain. If they actually are only 10p, I want to get more of them. Anyway, they are little coffee pods with, they say Nespresso compatible capsules, which is ideal because that's what we've got, an espresso machine. And they are in the flavour gingerbread cookie. Ugh, yum. I'm definitely going to treat myself to one of these after I finish filming this, because why not? Let's start autumn early. Let's bring the gingerbread scents. And you know what, actually so many of you have said, I don't care, I'm here for autumn all year round, so just start the content early. So, yay. With a touch of creamy goodness, let the enticing, spicy and smooth taste of gingerbread cookie transform your cup of coffee into cookie magic. Sold. Okay, and is that everything I got? That is everything I got. So I'm gonna go treat myself to a nice gingerbread cookie coffee. I'll let you know probably over on my Instagram how I get on with them and if they're a thumbs up from me. And if they are only 10p, I will be getting more. Thank you so much for joining me on this little shopping trip to B&M. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want more regular videos like this where I can show you what's new in stores, especially as the seasons start to change, then please do let me know in the comments below, and also let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithms of my channel if you actually engage with my content, whether that be subscribe, like, or comment, or do all three, then yeah, it really helps me out. So thank you to those of you that do. I love chatting with you guys as well down in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.